advice mo ngayong World Mental Health Day?
Everything is fleeting. I mean, let's strengthen our faith in times like this, especially those who dun sa mga tao na nakakaranas ng mental health problems at the moment. Ang advice ko rin with all the people that surrounding them, assist them in the most not so hard way. Kasi minsan pag, going through a phase like that, minsan pag masyado nating pinipressure yung tao who's undergoing that kind of situation and circumstance, mas lalo silang hindi gumagaling. And mas lalo nilang nafe-feel na they're not normal. So don't make them feel not normal. Just treat it as, give them space. Pahingahin natin sila. Kasi you'll never know, in that small ways, yun yung makakapagpagaling or makakapagpaganda ng situation ng tao who's undergoing those kinds of problems.
So, yung sa McDo branch mo, nagsiserve ka rin?
Yes, actually during the opening. And then, so, I'm gonna be also opening another store this year. So, by December, so I'll keep you guys posted.
Sa Laguna rin ba?
Yes,
wow.
Sa Laguna. Yes.
Nice.
So, doon na mismo sa bayan namin, sa Santa Rosa.
Anong kaibahan? Sorry. Dalawa. Anong kaibahan ng pagkakaroon ng resto sa pagra-run ng McDo, ng fast food?
Iba kasi, I have restaurants. I have Conscious Garden. Wala na pala, hindi nag-rebrand na pala. I have Conscious in the South. But with fast food kasi, ang na-appreciate ko kasi with what's happening right now is McDonald's already has business model. So all we gotta do is just follow that. Kasi iba ang fast food eh. Fast service siya. Sobrang crucial na quality. Since nga fast moving, kailangan on the spot ka sa mga small things that could make the customer get frustrated. So, pero enjoy siya kasi you get to feed a lot of people, give them a good experience. Being part of McDonald's for almost 10 years taught me a lot in terms of business. And kaya I'm keeping my loyalty with them. And also, I even ventured on being part of McDonald's and being a business partner with these people.
Kanina may barda. Hindi mo ba nami-miss magka-love team?
No.
So, masaya ka solo flight forever?
Yes.
Sorry, Dan, ang random. Kasi diba, mahilig ka rin mag-gaming.
Yes.
So, paano siya nakakatulong?